Welcome. We're taking a look at how to make a bounty proposal on Geode. Bounties are for when you know what work needs to be done and you just don't know who should do it yet. So make sure you have the voting menu turned on. Go down to bounties, and on the bounties page, you can click the button in the top right and add a bounty. That's going to bring up a form for you. Give it a title, maybe even a website, maybe even a URL where you're explaining what needs to be done. Decide how much should be allocated in Geode for this. How much coin should this bounty be worth? You are going to bond some coin here to make this happen. And this is the account that is proposing the bounty. So make sure you are the one who is making the proposal. That's the account you're going to select there. And then click add the bounty. That'll ask you to put in your password, and then the bounty is in. That will be voted on, and the community will decide what to do with that bounty, assign a manager, and get the work done. See what else there is to know at geodechain.com. Tell your friends, and we will see you on chain.